I'm going to use this cast iron pan to cook my tandoor chicken. It's going to be quick. It retains heat very well. So I'm going to cook the chicken first. This is already marinated with tandoor paste, nothing else. You get tandoori paste in the Indian stores, or you can get tandoori masala. It's chicken breasts. I cut it into cubes, and then I marinated that, and a little salt. I always like salt in my meat. So these are marinated already. I'm going to cook it here. Once it's cooked, I'm going to make the gravy for the makhani or the butter chicken, and then put the chicken back in it. For butter chicken, the main ingredients are two things: tomato. I'm going to use tomato paste, then I don't have to cook it too much, and heavy cream. These two. And if I fall short, I might add a little bit of evaporated milk, right? Usually you don't need that. These two are good enough. I don't know if I have enough heavy cream or not. The other things you do need are a little bit of peppers, black peppers, definitely a little bit of chili, pinch of sugar, and onions. Onions make the gravy taste good, I think. You can use onion powder for it. Because the chicken already has onion, ginger, garlic, all that stuff, I'm going to use very little onion. These two are the main things that I'm going to use for gravy. So shouldn't be bad. Once this heats up, by the way, this retains heat a lot. Also, it's called double Dutch oven because it covers up. As you can see, doesn't let out steam. It's very good. This one can also act as a pan. And you can do this way so that no steam can come out. It's pretty good. I'm going to experiment with it. First time I'm using it, so this will be fun. So while it's heating up, I'm just chopping my onions or the tongue. Just a little bit so that it absorbs oil. Be very careful with these. These are very hot. So let's see if this is recording. Yeah. So I did use the immersion blender and put it in a bowl to make it liquidy. Splattering a lot because of the consistency of the soup right now. And I have added my chicken curry masala, which is Kitchen King, teaspoons. Smells good. I didn't need the coriander too because so that's like a curry masala that you can use. Last, I should have said that. Okay, I'm going to put the chicken back. This is the time that it's going to marinate together. I have to wash this again. Back in here. Now, if you do tomato chicken, this is it. You don't have to, and you have to put methi, right? Because the smell of methi is what smells good in tomato chicken. But other than that, if you want to do makhani, you just add the heavy whipping cream. I have about, this is 1 quart. I have about here, so let me see. I'll look at the color and tell you. I'm going to put the whole thing in. I think there was about a cup left. This is about a cup. Yeah, not bad. I think this is it. Or I can use this instant non-fat try now. Because I want it more milky. That's the whole idea. The taste is more tomatoey than milky. It should resemble kind of the vodka sauce, right? And I don't want to add more water to it. That's the reason with the dry milk and like that. And instead of putting it directly here, you can always add water to add to more. Definitely want to make it a little more milky. Time to finish it off with the butter. Or, you can also give